Hello all, peace all. This is Loner 420. Out with the dog, having my 420. Peace again. Hey Genghis, come on. He's already ready to go. Good boy, hey? What's out there? Hey? Again, happy 420 all from Loner 420 house here on Vancouver Island. Out with the dog, having my 420 hour. Yeah. And we have Genghis, king of the mountain. February, Vancouver Island. Beautiful today. Out with the dog. He's out playing in the water. It's like, I don't know, 12 degrees today. 12 degrees Celsius. Don't really need, your jacket on. Beautiful sunny day. Out here in the opening. It's not a heat wave, so just out with the dog. He's loving life. So am I. Again, happy 420 all from Loner 420 house. Signing out.